Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelsey Sorto, and if you're new here, hi. So basically for this video, I'm gonna be trying something new on my hair. So if you're interested, keep watching, and I'll see you real soon. Okay, so recently my mom got like this thingy. You guys seen those? It's just supposed to leave like your hair wavy, and so I want to try it out because I haven't tried it yet. And tomorrow's Sunday, so maybe I can have like this for church, but I'm curious. So I'm gonna go ahead and section the hair and see how this turns out. Don't know where my clips are, to like my claw clips to hold back my hair, so I'm just gonna use the good old ponytail. So I'm going to do like half a pat down, but like half just a small section at the bottom like this, so I can try that out. Just like that, and then I'll like do this in half, and then yeah, okay, I'm scared. So I'm guessing like you put a section of hair in between and just holding it for a couple seconds each down, and I think this is gonna like be maybe 4 or 3 times, like all the way down. So let's try it out. I don't know if I should start from the back or from the front. I'll do it from the back, just so that, okay, I'll use this and I'll I think maybe I should put it in for a little bit longer. Hold it in for a little bit longer because I just did 3 seconds. Okay. I don't know what to think about it. Okay, I'll finish this section and then I'll do this one too, and then we'll see how that looks like. First section is finished and I got the hang of it in the last one. So here you guys can tell that it looks pretty much like it looks bad. And then here I'm kind of getting the hang of it, but then this one right here is like the best one. So I'm just gonna keep doing that my whole head and see maybe it's better than this, because this literally looks like if I just like took my own braids out, and yeah, it's supposed to look at least like this did something, and this side it actually does look like that. So I'm gonna keep doing that and then we'll see the finishing results. Now I'm gonna do another section of my hair, but it might be easier to tie this in the back so that it won't like get in between with the new section than with the old section. Okay, so that's tied, just like 3 knots in the back. Now for the new section of hair. Okay, so this is a new section. Again, I still have that old section tied in the back. I'm going to fast forward this, and then we'll see how that goes. Also, look how long my hair is. I'm trying to go for longer. Okay. So I finished that section. I'm gonna do this off camera so it can go a little bit faster. It looks pretty cute. I like the little effect or whatever. I'm excited to see how my whole head will look like. I also ended up putting on my contacts because my glasses were like a little bit dirty. The lenses. I mean the... I don't know. Okay, yeah. And my like glasses cleaner thingy, it's downstairs. And I'm doing downstairs. But yeah. I'm gonna do this side off camera, and then I get with another section, put the section in the back. You know, catching up. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. Just like that. I'm going to put this with the old section. But now since I have like more hair now, just like this. The back, okay, the first times were terrible, but now that I'm like adding more hair with the same like, yeah, it's gonna look way better, hopefully. I'm so scared still. Okay, old section, nude section, you know the drill. Okay, so last time I fast forward this side, and now I'm going to fast forward this side and just leave this side off camera. Okay. Okay, so I finished that. Ow, kind of hurts. That's what it looks like so far. It's the same thing, just adding more hair each time. Each time I finish like a section, each like one side looks better than the other, but it's okay. It's pretty cute. I like it. I think I could do this hairstyle for school. Well, I'll use like this whatever wavy this. I can use it like in the morning before school because it is pretty cute. But I haven't seen the whole hair yet. We'll get there soon. New section. You know. Okay, so I finished, but you guys can definitely tell that this side, I guess I just like held it in for a little bit longer than this one because what is this? This is more wavy than this, and I tried going over it again, but then it just like got more straight than wavy, and so I'm not gonna keep putting heat on it because that's just gonna ruin it. But this is what we're left with. I don't know if it's like bad or good in the back. But if it's bad, that's embarrassing. But it's okay. It's my first time using it, so I just wanted to try it out. I personally don't like it. So I just wasted my time. But no, it was like cool, I guess. I'm just running my hands through it and I'm making it worse. But yeah, I don't know what hairstyles I could do. Maybe just have it like this or whatever, or just one side. But yeah, I was gonna do my makeup too, but if I don't like it, then why? Just why? But anyways. Okay, this was just like for fun. It was a fun video because I didn't have a video for this week, so I guess this is what this will be for this week's video. I'm just doing it to the side now. Let's see different things that we could do, okay? So right now, let's make an actual like side part. Not too far though, because that would not look good, bro. I look like a kid. So no, I honestly don't know what you could do. Again, a half a pap down type of thing. No, it's because I don't like it. I don't like this on me. I'd rather just like, yeah, I don't like this on me. You know, this is not for everybody. I am everybody. Hi, this is the next day. I slept on it and it still held like pretty together. Some pieces. I don't know. But last night, as I was like after the video, as I was going on with my night, I was like recording some videos for like something else, and I actually liked it. It didn't look that bad, so I think I will use it again probably in the future. I guess soon. Yeah, but it doesn't really show anymore like as much, but it's not bad. I was just being negative. Don't be negative. Okay, well, I'm just gonna end this video here because that was all. So again, this was also a fail, but it's also my first time, so I'm not gonna be like perfect right away. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching whatever this was. It's just to get something out there. I literally have no ideas, but I'll get better. Oh, okay. Well, I'll see you guys next week, and don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe as well, or if you would like, leave a comment down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys next time.